Once upon a time, in the lush green forests of Panchvan, lived a clever young fox named Figo. Figo loved music more than anything else. Every evening, he would sneak near the river where an old tortoise named Tanu played his golden fiddle. The sound of the fiddle was so magical that birds stopped chirping and even the wind slowed down to listen. One day, Tanu the tortoise announced, "I am getting old. Whoever finds my lost golden fiddle can keep it and carry forward the music of the forest." Figo's ears perked up. He loved that fiddle. But Tanu added, "It was last seen near the Whispering Cave. Beware, it tests your honesty." Many animals tried, but none returned with the fiddle. Some said the cave whispered lies. Some were too scared. Figo, determined, took a deep breath and went alone. Inside the cave, it was dark and silent until a soft voice echoed, "To find the fiddle, take the path of truth. If you lie, you'll be lost forever." Figo walked ahead and saw two tunnels, one golden and shiny, the other old and dusty. A sign read, "Choose the honest path." Figo thought, most would pick the golden one. That must be the trick. So he chose the dusty tunnel. There, he found the golden fiddle lying on a rock. But as he reached for it, the voice returned. "Have you ever taken anything without asking?" Figo froze. He remembered, just a week ago, he had taken a mango from a squirrel's basket when no one was watching. His ears drooped. He could lie, no one would know. But then he whispered, "Yes, I did. And I was wrong." Suddenly, the cave lit up, and the voice said warmly, "Only the honest can carry true music. You have passed." The fiddle floated into his paws, and Figo returned to the forest a hero, not because he found the fiddle, but because he had the courage to tell the truth. From that day on, Figo played beautiful music that touched every heart, because it came from a place of integrity. Moral: integrity means doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Just like Figo, those who speak the truth shine the brightest in the end.